What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here again from prosperwithgarrett.com. Now, in this video, what I want to share with you is how you can get access to my completely free 20-minute Instagram training on exactly how I make over $1,000 a day posting simple pictures. Okay, so I'm on my main Instagram profile right now. It's Garrett's Good Life. You may or may not be following me. Either way, as you can see right here, at the time of recording this, I have over 20,000 Instagram followers, okay? And this is a secret way that I haven't really shared much on how I get a lot of leads and tons of sales and signups daily on Total Autopilot. Now, how do you get access to this 20-minute free over-the-shoulder step-by-step training? Well, there's actually going to be a link in the description, okay? When you head to that page, it's going to ask you to put your email in. The reason is I need to know where to send you the Instagram training, okay? You're going to get it instantly delivered to your inbox, so you want to do that. And what's going to be covered and who is this for? Well, whether you have your own business right now, let's say you're a network marketer, internet marketer, affiliate marketer, you're promoting an opportunity, and you're not really using Instagram yet, or you're not being able to get a lot of signups, this is for you, okay? Or maybe you're just starting off. Maybe you've been researching how to start your own 10K per month or more business online, and you want to know my secrets. You want to steal the exact strategies I'm using today to do that. Well, this is going to be for you as well. So again, I just want to invite you. There's going to be a link directly below. Go ahead, click that link below and get access to this. It's not going to be available for much longer. And if you get over there and it's no longer available, I do apologize beforehand, okay? But just to share very quickly, I'm going to be getting into, how I'm able to get over 3,000 likes on a single picture, okay? The mindset, why I post certain things, how to compel people to join, how to compel people to sign up, and the types of posts you want to be doing, okay? I see a lot of people going wrong. A lot of people are struggling. If you're not getting a lot of followers, if you're not getting a lot of engagement, it's not your fault. You simply don't have the right strategies to do it, and that's what I want to share with you when you check out that totally free training, okay? So again, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, check it out at the link below, and I'll see you over on the training.